This was a gorgeous pattern. Pamela did a wonderful job. All of the instructions were very clear, easy to read pattern. And I encourage you to go ahead and go to her Etsy shop and or go to her ADC website, Adorning Doll Clothes website. I will put both of those links in the description box. And she also did a tutorial, but her pattern, if you can read patterns, they're only $1.99, so you can't go wrong with that. So look at that, just the variation of the different stitches. I really enjoyed the combination. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful one. Thank you for watching one of my faux, my finished objects, and have a glorious day.